Jai Sriman But what to do, Bharata? Nothing is in our control. Please do not move to tears. Varjaniya hi dhirena sarvavasthasu dhimata. The strong man should not be moving to tears at any circumstances. Swastho bhava. Come on, console yourself. Be stable, Bharata. Masochihi, do not cry. Yatvacha avasa tampurim. Go back to Ayodhya. Oh Bharata, whatever our father ordered us to do, let both of us do the same thing. You know what, Bharata? Following our elderly people helps us to enjoy other worlds after we depart from this body. And following dharmam helps us to enjoy other worlds after we depart from this body. And also, Bharata, not behaving foolishly, not behaving with so much of angry, that also helps us enjoy other worlds after we depart from this body. Oh Bharata, when father was alive, he established his own fame, his own reputation. We should not be causing any kind of harm to that fame and reputation of our father. Our father also established such a great character. We should not be causing any kind of harm to that character. Having both of those things in our vision, we have to be very careful and we have to behave very careful. For that reason, you have to go back, you have to coronate yourself and start ruling the kingdom. Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami explaining everything to Bharata. Then Bharata is addressing again back to Sri Ramachandra Swami, saying that, "Oh my dear brother Rama, who would be there like you, such a great man in this world, Rama? When you are in the middle of this so many troubles, you are not feeling any kind of pain. So also I have seen when you are in the middle of so many pleasures, you are not so much excited. You always maintain balanced mind. Oh Rama, who would be there like you in this entire universe? Sammataschapi vruddhanam. Even such great sages, elderly people also respects you because they think that you are Sarvajna, you know everything, they respect you very well. Even then, in spite of that, you always go and consult them. Tamscha pruchasi samsayan. You always go and consult them to clarify all your doubts. You always show that kind of respect to elderly people. Oh Rama, who would be there, this kind of man in this entire universe? Oh Rama, usually when some people are departed after their death, we do not hate them. But now you, as and how we do not hate those who departed, you would not be hating, you would not show any kind of, you would not spill any kind of hatredness on anyone, those who are alive also. To that extent you love everyone. Oh Rama, who would be there like you in this entire universe? Usually those things that we have, we would not be having any kind of longingness towards that. But you are the one, you would not have any kind of longingness, cravingness towards whatever that you have, whatever you do not have. You maintain that kind of stable mind. Oh Rama, who would be there like you in this entire universe? Those who realize Paramatma and Jivatma, those who have self-realization and Paramatma realization, only those people can be like this, and only those people will not be fearing and will not be worrying in spite of they going through several troubles. You are such, Rama. But Rama, you know what? I am not able to, I cannot take separation, I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.